Hey, what is up, guys? It's Abrasive Trolls here, and I'm gonna show you how to make a ringtone. Just make sure the volume's up, and yes, it is. So first, you need to download this app on the App Store called GarageBand, and then you tap the plus sign when it's done downloading, and then you can make like really cool like ringtones. I'll do live loops, dubstep. Let's go for this. And it's gonna load for like a few seconds, maybe. I don't know. Okay, it's done. So you can like make really sick ringtones. Let's just start like this. And then you could like tap these. Okay. This is like really good. And then we can move here. Bam, down here. Okay, let's start it. Okay. 3. And then we'll start it. Wait. And then this will be really cool. This is gonna look amazing. And then we'll have like, we can do this. Okay. And then we can pause it, and then tap my songs, and then the song you wanted. Nope, accidentally hit the wrong button. And it's gonna take like 10 seconds. Okay, go back to my songs. And you press select, and then you see this box with the arrow, tap on it, and then you scroll down, there's a ringtone button, and then you can name it whatever you want. So I'll name it Cognitive, and then you press export, and it doesn't even take a while. And then you just wait like 10 seconds for it to upload, and then you can get a ringtone. And then, okay, now we'll go to settings, and then go to sounds, and then there's some ringtones. I'll use this one. Sounds pretty good, I guess. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.